And the Masters of the Universe.
Alright guys, today we're taking a look at another toy, and as you can tell, it's Masters of the Universe Hordak. Hordak was released on June 15th, so yeah, it's still pretty new. It sold out in roughly about 30 to 60 minutes. After that, it was sold out. So to get this video started, let's go ahead and take a quick look at its packaging. You have the Masters of the Universe classics here. Lightning bolts, Hordak, the Evil Horde, and then Hordak, evil leader of the Evil Horde, adult collector, then here's some other characters from the line. Yeah, King Grayskull, Zodak, Man-at-Arms, Hordak, Merman, Skeletor. And there's his bio right there. These characters are only available at MattyCollectors.com, so if you can't pick it up on Matty Collectors website when they first release it, you're going to have to go to like eBay or a message board. You guys saw the box, saw the bio and all that, saw the artwork. So let's go ahead and take an actual look at the figure itself. These figures stand out about 7 inches tall, so they fit in roughly with all the other 7-inch toys. Let's go ahead and take a look at his details, sculpt, and paint. And I guess clothing, which is the armor. Face sculpt is really good on it. Nicely detailed, nicely painted. It's pretty much just like all the other classic characters. They're designed to look like a mix between the 80s and the 2000 characters. The versions of them. The cape is made out of hard plastic, so there's no moving it at all. The cape is also connected to this part here. But if you want to remove it, all you have to do is just take his head and pop it off. Then you can remove that, and then put on his head. So you'll look something like that. Just like the other Master figures, Hordak also has removable armor. So to get his off, all you have to do is just get the pegs on both sides, right there and right there. Pop his head off and you just slide it right off. It's a pretty easy thing to do. Accessories that he includes is his staff, which if you really wanted to, you could probably do some minor altering to make it look like Evil Lens. It also comes with his crossbow, which to me is kind of, I don't know, I don't like it. A lot of people don't like it. The main reason I don't like it is because of the soft plastic. You already see that it's warped like that. And it's also really too heavy, so if you put it in his hand to hold up, if you have it like kind of posed like this, the weight of the crossbow will end up making it drop back down. The joints aren't loose, but they're not exactly tight, so yeah. It also comes like with a little bat dragon demon thing, which on itself looks good, sculpt and painting. That little hook part, you just clip it onto his arms or his wrist, which I haven't done yet, but I really don't want to. The only two complaints I have about his clothing and stuff is, like I already said, it's the cape being hard plastic. And another thing that a lot of people don't like is the half armor. They keep it like this. They made the armor half armor so that they can have the ab articulation on there still. But for Hordak and, for a lot of the characters, I wouldn't even use it anyways. It would have been nice if they just made a full body armor. Points of articulation that he has the head, which is ball jointed, but you're kind of restricted because of the gear he has. He has shoulder joints which go all the way around, back and forth, bicep, elbow, and wrist. It's the same for both arms. Yeah, it's the ab articulation, waist, legs, which go, you know, back and forth, side to side, knees, ankles, and then I don't know, calf. So that's basically it for articulation on him. And you might be wondering what the price is. If you buy them from MattyCollectors.com, you know, when they first come out, they're like $20 plus shipping, which is like probably about $8. If you buy them off eBay, you could probably spend about $40 to $50 plus shipping. So they can cost you really pretty much anywhere from $20 to $60. Size comparison between him and another character. The first comparison is going to be between Hordak as the classics and Hordak as the 2000 series. You can see that he's slightly taller, but that's also because he's more hunched over and, you know, bent knees and all that. But you can see the detailing differences in them a lot. Although they do look really different, I do enjoy both of them. They both look really good. Now for Hordak and other Masters classics, for right now I only have two more. So for Skeletor, and that's pretty much it, because the other one I have standing. I have on a stand. So yeah, you can't really use Stratos as a comparison. But you can see he matches up fairly well with Skeletor. Just a little bit taller, but that's because of his, pretty much because of his outfit. Is Hordak worth picking up? I would have to say yes, he is. To me, he's one of the better characters of this line. To me, he's one of the better characters released so far. A lot of good details, good paint jobs, good articulation, and a good looking character all around. It would have been nice if they gave him full body armor and a cloth cape, but they didn't. So, like I said before, he's worth picking up. If you can find him at a good price, then great. If you have to end up paying a little bit more, it depends. It's a good character, great and all that, but with some of the minor problems people have had, it might not be worth it to you. But if you're a fan of the Masters of the Universe, he's pretty much a definite character you have to get. He's one of the best ones out of the line so far, and yeah.